Alright, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. We have a 2007 Mazda 3 today with these headlights that are finally installed. They are the black interior with purple metal flake that I can kind of barely see right now. Triple RGB halo installation, a Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly swap on this with the ByThirteen lens etching, as well as the GTA Retrofits kit in order to accomplish that. The profile switchback peak LED bulbs. We've got some sweet purple electrical tape over our fogs that are no longer hooked up. We got some badass drift stitching. This is a super sweet ride. Check that out. And this is Christine, the owner of said vehicle. How do you feel about your headlights?
They're fantastic.
All right. Let's do some cool lighting stuff. Play on your phone. Show me what they can do.
All right.
All right, right now we got 3 colors going on. It's 3 independent channels. It's the Morimoto XBT controller. So this is Aqua, the color Aqua, not to be confused with the band, which is Christine's hair color because she is the Barbie girl. But
in a Barbie world.
Yeah, in a Barbie world. Life is fantastic with headlights made of plastic. And now we're going to demonstrate the blinker because at any point in time, whether or not the RGB is activated or not, and you turn on the blinker, then it will override and all 3 halos will go into switchback mode. And again, you can see that profile peak switchback going on. Turn off the blinker and then they come right back on. Click the headlight forward 1 spot to be running light. There you go. So that is our running light, which is super silly bright. Headlights. Headlights, we're running the Morimoto 35-watt ballast. Again, the D2S projectors with, we're running pure white bulbs on these guys. And also have the 2 strokes in the high beam location. So this is going to be a quad high beam setup. Both the LED and the bi-xenon assembly of that guy. High beam me. What? So much light! It is an excessive amount of light. And it looks really good, which is cool. And that's pretty much all I got to say about this. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. And our lovely contestant of the day, Christine. That's all, folks. See you later.